and I have a tenor guitar to show you today. This is one I started just as a stock instrument after a customer canceled their order, and then another customer came along asking if I had a tenor anytime soon, so they're ending up with it. And I went for a real simple, basic model that just would sound good, and I'm really pleased with it. So the back and sides are walnut. This is some walnut from our friend Kath on Vashon Island. It just really looks nice, lots of color and strange markings on it. And no back binding on this, just some simple walnut binding on a spruce top. Just spruce and walnut. The neck is some salvaged African mahogany. This came from a beam that was supposed to be in somebody's house. And the rest is pistachio. So my tenor guitars are based off of an old Regal design. It's a little smaller and shorter scale than most, and it features this kind of floating bridge and banjo tailpiece. So it really has kind of a different sound than most tenor guitars, and I really have come to embrace it and like it. Yeah, I really like it. And this one is number 1015. Cheers, thanks.